Hey everybody, today it's another episode of Grilling with Guy. I'm going to make an appetizer. We're going to a friend's place later for a little cookout. I'm making an appetizer. I made this a few weeks ago. My boys really liked it. And whenever two teenagers tell you they actually like something I made, I make a mental note to make it again. But it's candy bacon wrapped chicken bites. I will attach the recipe in the comments below this video. But I mean, very simple, just like it said. Take some bacon strips, cut them in thirds, cut up chicken. Doesn't matter whether it's chicken breast or boneless chicken thighs, anything boneless. Cut them in pretty small bites. You're going to need some brown sugar. You're going to need some toothpicks. And what I'm gonna take the chicken bite, a little piece of chicken, put in the bacon, wrap it, and then put a toothpick through it. Then I'm going to roll that in the brown sugar. That's where it gets the candied nut part of it. And the one thing I'm going to do on some of these I will, and some I won't, just to add my own little flair to it, because you like to add your own flair to your recipes, is add a little tiny piece of pepper jack cheese. You know, you're in Texas, you got like pepper jack. So I'm going to roll up some of these. You can see I've already rolled up some of these. And put them on the tray ready. Put up these on a tray so it sits above, so it's not sitting in the grease. I've already rolled some of these up in the brown sugar, and I've added, once you roll them in the brown sugar, get them on your tray, on your grate there above, whatever kind of barbecue spice or rub or whatever you like. I'm using today, I've really become a big fan of the Meat Church Holy Voodoo spice. I think it's a great all-purpose for a lot of things, but I'm going to get these finished, putting together. I'm going to get them on my smoker at 250 for about 45 minutes, and I'll give you an update then. Okay, everybody, we just hit the 45-minute mark. I'm out here by my Louisiana Grills pellet smoker. I'm going to do a video pretty soon just to tell you what a pellet smoker is and why I really like them. But they hit the 45-minute mark. Look how good they look already. Yeah, the cheese is kind of run out on them. I got to figure out how to wrap it differently. Maybe put bacon going both ways next time or something. But you live and you learn, and that's what I like about cooking, is try different stuff and keep improving it as you go. But they're looking really good. They went 45 minutes at 250. Now I flipped them over. I hit them again once I flipped them over with the Holy Voodoo from Meat Church. And I'm going to crank it up to 350 for about another 45 minutes. So it's really until you get the bacon nice and crispy now. So you just want to get it nice and crispy. It's going to be 35 to 40 minutes. I'm going to check it. But yeah, they're coming along great. They're smelling wonderful. You can smell that brown sugar smell. And I'm anxious to try them. Okay, everybody, we just hit the 45-minute mark once I cranked it up to 350 degrees to crisp up that bacon and finish cooking them. As you can see, they look pretty darn awesome. Hope you can see they look nice and crispy on the outside. Like I said, the cheese appears to have melted out of a lot of them. That's a learning lesson for me. Next time I'm going to wrap it, roll it first, and then wrap another strip of bacon the other direction so it kind of traps that cheese in. But hey, you live and you learn. But either way, they look fantastic. One tip I did not tell you when we started: make sure you put a layer of aluminum foil underneath your baking pan when you did this. Last time I did this, I ruined 2 pans. The sugar coating drips off this chicken, and it ruined 2 pans because I did not put the aluminum foil. So make sure you do that. But these look awesome. I'll take a couple pictures and post here, but I mean, it's a pretty simple recipe. Less than 2 hours of grilling and smoking time. Like I said, I'm loving this Louisiana Grills pellet smoker. Give me a call anytime you have questions about the smokers and stuff. But I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make this for your family. And I'll talk to you soon.